In this DevRevive series, we will demonstrate on creating new apps end-to-end from scratch. The front end is React project using Vite as development server and TypeScript as variant. The back end is a Java Spring Boot-based framework with Postgres as supporting database. Based on my prompt, DevRevive will generate the base framework for both front-end and back-end components, with default database support using H2. Since we intend to use Postgres, on my prompt, DevRevive will add the necessary Postgres dependencies and configure the application.properties file with Postgres-specific settings. You can see that DevRevive has now provided profile-based configuration support for both H2 and Postgres. With the foundation in place, let's run the front end. Wow, we are able to open the home page. Let's add few features to our app. After few iterations using DevRevive, we made an app for our HR department. All these service and CRUD class are generated using DevRevive. With all changes in place, let's trigger the front end. We are able to create HR apps with multiple features with the help of DevRevive. Let's show you real-time changes to the front end. We will resize the circular charts using only prompts. With DevRevive, we have prompted it to resize the circular charts and can see how easily we can make changes. Thanks for watching, and in the upcoming series we will showcase many advanced features of DevRevive.